Hello students, I am Shreya Sethia and I am your social science teacher. Today we are going to study a new chapter of social science. That is chapter number 2nd. Name of the chapter is Colonial Rule in India. So let's start with hard words. First word is colonial rule. COLONIAL. Colonial rule. RULE. Colonial rule. Meaning is the policy and practice of a power in extending control over weaker areas or country. It's a kind of policy or practice which is done with the intention of capturing a weaker area or controlling a weaker area or country. Next word is mercantilism. 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 Meaning of this word is it's an economic policy that is designed to maximize import and export. A kind of economic policy which is designed to minimize import and export. Next is dominant. DOMINANT. Meaning of this word is more powerful than others. More powerful than other. Next word is Carnatic War. CARNATIC. Carnatic War. 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 Meaning is they were series of wars fought between various Indian rulers and British. Next word is privileges. 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 It's a kind of a special right or advantage that a group or a person has. It's called privileges. Then next word is farmans. 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 It's authorized privileges, um, or we can say authority which gives a person right or advantage. It's called farman. Next word is custom duty. Custom duties. CUSTOM. Custom DUTIES. Duties. Custom duties. It's a kind of tax which is imposed by government on import and export. Next word is exempted. 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 It means from or it means that exclude, to exclude from something or free from any obligation. It's called exempted. Next word is conquest. 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 Meaning of this word is act of overcoming and gaining control, or a kind of victory. Next word is province. 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 Meaning of this word is a state or a territory or a kind of area where up to a king rules. It's called province. Next is clashed. 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 Meaning is to fight or to disagree at something, a kind of conflict is called clashed. Next word is negotiations. 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 Meaning is to discuss, at which uh, people try to decide or agree at something. It's a kind of discussion where people agrees at certain point or decided to agree at certain point, that is called negotiation. Next word is consequences. 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 Meaning is result. Result. Next word is alliance. 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 Meaning is group or union. Alliance is group or a union. Next word is fled. 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 Meaning is to run away from something. To run away from something. The next word is dispensation. 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 Meaning is exemption or being excluded or exclusion. Right? That is called dispensation. Next word is martyred. 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 Hindi meaning of this word is shaheed hona. Shaheed hona. Next word is annexation. 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 Meaning is to take over or invade, or we can say to capture something forcefully, to take over something forcefully. Then next is subsidiary alliance. Subsidiary. Subsidiary alliance. ALLIANCE. Meaning is sub unions or subgroups. A union or a alliance which is a part of a main alliance, main group. Then next is assimilating. 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 Meaning is took over completely. Took over completely. Next word is a. HEIR. Pronunciation is a. Meaning is successor or succession, from one generation to another, that is called successor. So that is a. Next word is battle of Buxar. Pronunciation is Buxar. Battle of Buxar. Next word is battle of Plassey. Battle of Plassey.